Ready to make your bath time magical? In this video, we'll show you how to create 2 fun fizzy bath bombs that leave you feeling relaxed and refreshed. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and I'm here to show you how easy and fun it can be to create your own natural products at home. Today we're making 2 amazing bath bombs from the Fizz and Flow DIY Bath Bomb Kit. Moonlit Dream Fizzy Bath Bomb and Lava Flow Fizzy Bath Bomb. These will turn your bath into a relaxing spa experience, and they smell incredible. Everything you need to make these bath bombs comes in the Fizz and Flow DIY Bath Bomb Kit. This kit is a one-time purchase, so no subscription needed. You get everything you need to create 2 amazing bath bomb recipes. And if you need more supplies later, you can grab them anytime at simplyearth.com. Store-bought bath bombs can have a lot of artificial fragrances and fillers. With these DIY bombs, you know exactly what's inside. No surprises, just pure skin-loving essential oils and natural ingredients. So turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's create these bath bombs together. Inside the kit, you will get Sweet Dreams Essential Oil Blend. This is a calming and soothing blend to relax your mind. Lava Essential Oil Blend, an energizing citrusy blend to boost your mood. CSI Powder, a gentle surfactant that helps bind the ingredients together. Citric acid for the signature fizz in your bath bombs. Naturasor bath powder helps release essential oils into your bath water. You get indigo blue, yellow gold, and rose red mica powder to add beautiful vibrant colors. A bath bomb mold, Castile soap, this creates a soft bubbly texture for your bath, and almond oil, this nourishes and moisturizes your skin. In 2 separate bowls, whisk together your dry ingredients. In the first bowl, mix 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of citric acid, 2 tablespoons Naturasor bath powder for the Moonlit Dream Bath Bomb. In the second bowl, mix 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of citric acid, and 2 tablespoons Naturasor bath powder for the Lava Flow bath bomb. In a small bowl, mix together the wet ingredients. For the Moonlit Dream, combine 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 1/2 teaspoon of Castile soap, 18 drops Sweet Dreams Essential Oil Blend. For the Lava Flow, mix 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 1/2 teaspoon of Castile soap, 18 drops Lava Essential Oil Blend. Slowly add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients for both mixtures, stirring constantly. You want the consistency to feel like damp sand that holds its shape when squeezed. If it's too dry, add 1/4 teaspoon of water at a time while stirring. Add 1 teaspoon plus 1/4 teaspoon of indigo blue mica powder to the Moonlit Dreams mixture. Now for the Lava Flow, divide the mixture into 2 mixtures in separate bowls. Add 2 teaspoons of rose red mica powder to 1/2 of the Lava Flow mixture and 2 teaspoons of yellow gold mica powder to the other half. Pack each mixture into your bath bomb mold. For the Moonlit Dreams, press the blue mixture into 1/2 of the mold, then top it off with gold mica powder. For the Lava Flow, layer the red and yellow mixtures into each half of the molds, swirling together with a toothpick for a lava effect. Press the 2 mold halves together, firmly tapping gently with a spoon to release the bath bomb. Let the bath bombs dry for 24 to 48 hours in a safe place until completely dry and solid. To paint and decorate the Moonlit Dreams, in a small bowl, mix together 1/4 teaspoon of indigo blue mica powder with a 1/2 teaspoon of almond oil. In a separate bowl, mix 1/4 teaspoon of yellow gold mica powder with 1/2 teaspoon of almond oil. Use a paintbrush to gently splatter or paint the bath bombs for a starry night effect. Look at those vibrant colors and watch them fizz. The Moonlit Dream is a calming deep blue with golden sparkle, and the Lava Flow is a colorful swirl of red and yellow. It's like watching art in the water. So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with hashtag hashtag I made this, tagging From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured. If I can make these bath bombs, you can too. Get your hands on the Fizz and Flow DIY bath bomb kit today and create your own bath time magic. If you love these bath bomb recipes, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more DIY projects right here.